unlock longer and stronger nails. 3 proven methods. Hey there, nail enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most sought-after secrets in the beauty world: how to make your nails grow longer and stronger naturally. Stick around because we've got 3 game-changing methods for you. Method number 1, nail nutrition. Just like our bodies need nutrients to thrive, so do our nails. Incorporate foods rich in biotin, such as eggs, almonds, and avocados, into your diet. Biotin promotes nail growth and strengthens brittle nails, giving you that extra length you've been dreaming of. Next up, method number 2, nourishing nail oils. Treat your nails to some TLC with nourishing oils like jojoba, almond, or argan oil. These oils hydrate the nail bed, prevent breakage, and promote healthy growth. Simply massage a few drops into your nails and cuticles daily for maximum results. Last but not least, method number 3, nail strengthening exercises. Just like muscles, nails can benefit from regular workouts. Try simple exercises like tapping your nails on a hard surface or gently pressing your fingertips against each other to stimulate blood flow and promote nail growth. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine for stronger, healthier nails. And there you have it, 3 foolproof methods to help you achieve longer and stronger nails naturally. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more nail care tips and tricks. Until next time, happy nail growing!